user slash slash sbin slash -p. This instantiates this file, and it's telling me I have an error. What syscontrol -p is doing is executing the contents of the kernel parameter file and making sure it's correct. It doesn't like net core wmem max. Hang on a second, and just press the up arrow key and go to here, shift G to go to the end of the file, and net.core.wmem _max. I don't actually see it. Let's delete this and put it here underneath with p, net.core.wmem max 1048576. It could be an issue with my server in that it's not big enough. Let me run this again. I'm misreading it. The error is actually on FSAIO max and op, and look what I've done there. I've got a hyphen and an underbar. They don't get structured like that. I just made a typo, that's all. I'm guessing you actually changed this underbar to a hyphen. I could check it, but I'm guessing based on that other FS parameter looks like that. Let's just try that. It's no big deal. It's fine. There's no errors in there. Could check that. Do grep. Look for the word error. Doesn't find anything. All that this command here is doing is instantiating the syscontrol configuration right now in this shell. When you restart, it will execute the contents of the kernel parameter again. Okay, so this has actually failed because the values are incorrect. So I'm going to check again because I've just changed them. It shouldn't give me any more issues. And it still gives me an issue. IP local port range 9065. Oh, 65.5. Okay. I misread that. Let's go back into here again. 65.5. 5. Okay, you've seen a few issues here, which is interesting. And now you know how to fix it. Click this, check again. I can get Oracle to automatically fix it, but I'd kind of rather show you how to do it. Kernel parameters in Linux and Unix are interesting. There is a lot of available information for these parameters in Linux. Not much in Solaris. If you're running a Solaris or an HP installation, you could have issues with them if they're not set properly. May have trouble finding information on Google. Now I'm going to actually run the installation. Click the finish button and it starts the process, and I'm going to pause it now because this is going to take a very long time to run. And as you can see, the installation is progressing. Once again, we'll pause and come back to it. Partway through the installation of Oracle Database onto Linux, you will get a box that comes up that tells you to execute scripts in Linux, and it tells you here, open a terminal window, log in as root, run the scripts. I have a single script here. Normally you will get two separate scripts that you run one after the other. The reason why I have a single script here is because I've already done an installation on this Linux box, and I have subsequently removed it and redone it, but I haven't removed it completely. You actually have to physically go in and delete some of the files because the deinstall process in 11.2 doesn't remove everything. But it does work better, the deinstall 11.2 on Linux, than it does in Windows. So what I actually have to do is to click this, Control C, and I'm going to go and find my Linux window. I'm supposed to be logged in as root. I know I'm logged in as Oracle, but I'm going to show you that I can say who am I, which is a Unix or Linux command. It's going to tell me I'm logged in as Oracle. Now I'm going to exit and I'm logged in as root. I copied and pasted that command. I'm going to right click in my PuTTY shell and hit return, and it tells me about path names and do I want to overwrite? Yes. Do I want to overwrite? Yes. Now I go back to here, I run this script, I click OK. And at this stage it's completed the installation on Linux. Successful. I click the close button and it's all done. I don't have a running database, but I do have Oracle software installed. So I will find that software in ls Oracle base. If you can remember, we set up when preparing the server in the bash profile. I could actually do this, Oracle base list cd app list, and we're going to find, it doesn't like that because it's got two names in there, product. This is actually, again, another directory. That's the Oracle installation.